What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles with my man way down there starting all the super dead bikes. Eric, what's up, Eric?
Yeah.
Woo! Guys, I got a 2001 Honda Valkyrie. You know my thoughts on this bike. It's the greatest bike ever. No, I'm joking. Well, I'm not joking. It is an amazing bike. It's probably my favorite bike ever, but it's definitely up there in the top 25. Guys, awesome bike. It's got this, like, I know some of you guys are going to kill me for this, but it's got this, like, Raiders paint job. So if you're a big Raiders fan, then this is the bike for you. No, it's a sick bike, guys. I don't know what's going on with these, like, boxy looking pipes, but they're freaking sweet. If you guys have driven one of these if you guys have driven one of these Valkyries, you know exactly what you're getting into. Got a little chip on the paint down there. It's a great looking bike, guys. Got this big ultimate seat on it. It's got a little scuff there. Don't know how that happened. It's interesting. It's in pretty good shape, though. It says a 1, guys. I mean, you can only expect so much out of an 01. Side of the tank is in good shape. All the chrome is in good shape. Chrome mirrors. Front fender, we do a chip right there. A couple chips right there. Front tire has tons of tread. Yeah, tons of tread on that front tire. The side of the tank is in good shape. Couple little stone chips down there, if you can see those. Chrome is radiant. These bags are horrible looking. Take them off the minute you get this bike. They're horrible, like just so horrible looking. I don't know who put them on, but they're did this bike such a disservice. 47,550 miles. Let's listen to this beast just fire up. Just listen to it. It sounds like a race car. Choke. Yeah, out of the body. This bike sounds, looks, feels, it's amazing. Like I said, guys, 2001 Honda Valkyrie. This bike's in really good shape. It's got some stone chips here and there. It's an 01. You're going to get what you expect out of an 01, but it's an 01 Valkyrie. It's a ton of bike. You got to be a really awesome rider to ride this bike. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, I do not recommend beginners buy this bike as their first bike. But it's an awesome bike, tons of power, super unique looking, super cool looking. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Thanks a ton for watching.